Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to Madam Hati Kahati and to all my dearest friends. I'm Ruzaina binti Abdul Rahman from cohort 5B. I'm doing my bachelor in nursing at KPJUC. Today I'm going to talk about what are the 5 characteristics that a nurse should possess to become an excellent nurse. Number 1. To become an excellent nurse, one should possess an integrity in their working life. Integrity is very important as well as in our daily life. Integrity. So, in KPJ core value itself, integrity is one of the important character to ensure the quality of nurse. Nurses who practice with moral integrity possess a strong sense of themselves and act in ways consistent with what they understand is the right thing to do. For example, work when you are supposed to and save socializing, snacking, searching the internet, and so on. Secondly, to become an excellent nurse, one should be competent in their job. Competence is very important as well. Integrating knowledge and skills in clinical settings and associated with a core ability to provide care based on the needs of the person who receiving care. Competency is ability to do your job efficiently and successfully. For example, you need to know how to detect for abnormal glucose reading to avoid from your patient's conditions deteriorate. You should know how to insert Foley's catheter for the patients who don't urinate for a week. You also need to be able to recognize trouble in your patients and implement a plan of care so that we can avoid from a problem occurs. The third trait that a nurse should possess in order to become an excellent nurse is caring. They must be caring in order to become success. Remember, nursing is a sacred work and it is our responsibility to carry this. Everyone wants to be heard. Give your patients opportunity to express their feelings of anger, sadness, pain, and so on. Offer help even they don't show any difficulties. Example, difficulties in getting up from the bed after a month of comatose stage, difficulty in eating, after involving an accident with both hands tied with POP, and so on. Remember, nurses save lives. Patients won't offer you a big thank you, but they expect you to be by their side, to treat them, to listen to them. An excellent nurse may use their talent and affinities that they already have it. Therefore, the number 4 traits that a nurse should possess is, of course, emotional stability. An excellent nurse should be smart in handling their emotion in order for patients to listen to their health educations. If they had fight at home, for example, with the spouse, don't hide it from the patients. Don't let patients be your victims or a place for you to express your anger or dissatisfactions. And last but not least, the 5th character that a nurse should possess is empathy. Having empathy allows you to look at the world differently, actually. So put yourself in patient's shoes. You may have an alcoholic patient in one day, so you should be more empathized on patients because we might not know in one day our family members so will be in the same situations. And that time, of course, we want the nurse who treat our relative to be more empathized. I guess that's all for now. Thank you for listening.